What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tope again. Don't mind how I'm looking today. I'm just, I'm exhausted. School is exhausting, placement is exhausting, credit assistantship is exhausting. Don't get me wrong, I'm happy I have those opportunities, but they are really draining. So yeah, if you're an old subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I love you. And if you're a new subscriber, you're also welcome. Welcome. In today's video, I'm just making a decision that I never thought I would make anytime soon. Well, for those people that know me personally, you all know that I've got no edges, my hair is short and scanty, and then today I'm making a decision to relax my hair. I am tired. Yeah guys, I'm tired. I'm tired of removing my braids or whatever it is that I have on and then having to struggle to comb my hair. By the time I open it, then you people will cry for me. First of all, you cry for my edges. But yeah, I don't care. At this point, I don't care. And then secondly, you cry for the way I look with the natural stuff. Though with the scarf, I still look pretty. I look pretty cute. I know, girl. I know. But yeah, so today I made up my mind that I'm going to relax my hair and I'll be doing it by myself. Should I not? Should I not? Guys, my mind is made. I'm doing it by myself. And I'll be using the Dark and Lovely products. I got this from Kroger yesterday afternoon. Yeah, and I'll be using it. So it's time for me to unbox. First of all, no, I'm just gonna unbox first before I show you guys my hair. Yay. So just so you guys know, this will be my first time doing this by myself. Oh, it's a good thing. It has stages. This is stage 1. Oh yeah, 2. And I have this thing I can use to mix it. Good. Stage 3. Okay, you are. Oh yeah, this is stage 3. TLC. 3, 4, and 5, and this is 6. Oh, coconut oil. I thought there was a glove in this pack. Oh no. Oh yeah, there should be a glove. Please, glove. Yes, guys. And I got the gloves. I don't have to worry about my skin. Okay. Pray for me, guys. I'll see you in a bit. I'm just gonna tell you guys that well, I've been having, or I had some low time days, and by low time days I mean days that I wanted to give up on my education. Yeah, it was that bad. But you know, God got me. God got me. He lifts my soul up whenever I'm down, and then He has blessed me with some people that even if I try, they are there. Like, they are there to lift up my soul, to lift up my spirit, to encourage me, and I'm just blessed. Like, I am blessed. So I'm just gonna see, if you are considering doing masters, please and please listen carefully. Hold your ear like this, or your ears, and listen carefully. If you have the intention or plan to do masters, please prepare yourself psychologically. Let's use our, prepare yourself psychologically, prepare yourself emotionally. Trust me, all these preparations are necessary, because getting a master's degree is overwhelming. It is overwhelming, but and then you need to make up your mind, have a plan. I didn't do all these things before coming here. Yeah, and that was why it got to me. I didn't do all these things. I didn't prepare myself psychologically. I didn't prepare myself emotionally. I didn't prepare myself financially. And I actually didn't prepare myself, like, in every way. Any there is in this world. So please and please consider it very well before you make your decision to do a master's program. Prepare yourself in every way you can prepare yourself. Then draw out a plan for yourself, most especially for those that have the intention or the plan to leave Nigeria or wherever they are to another country to get their degrees. Please and please make sure you're ready for the stress. Make sure you're ready for the lonely times. Make sure you're ready for times where you just feel like, okay, I'm going back home. Nothing can stop me. I'm just going back. I am tired. So just be ready. That's my basic point. Okay, so now right to the video. Fingers crossed, guys. Wish me luck. I think I need it. It's time, guys. Are you ready for the big reveal? You sure? Okay, let's play. I don't know what I was thinking, but yesterday I just had to part this hair to make it not like my hair is not long. You guys know, my hair is long. I try. It's just that this front hair. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense, cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beats with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's cap. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made. Truth in the glass in the mirror. Yeah. Do it at me, old man, tryna pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see the ass, and he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard it all. Heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad bitches here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls, and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. washing my hair and having my bath. Super glow. Anyways, so guys, I don't relax my hair. Can't they look like say I don't get hair on top head at all? Story of my life. Anyways, I'm just gonna open it for you guys to see, and then I'll blow dry. Are you ready for the big reveal? Boom, boom, boom. Oh my god. This is quite embarrassing, but you know, everything I vibes, everything I energy. Guys, my hair dry. Guys, so this is it for today. I just started and I'm loving it. So thanks for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I didn't bore you. It's your girl again, Tope, and I hope to see you next time. If you are an old subscriber, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you're a new subscriber, please click on the subscribe button. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on the notification bell if you want to get notified as soon as I get another post on. Thanks again, guys. Let's keep this family going. Don't forget, our target is 1K subscribers, and I appreciate everyone that has shared, everyone that has commented, everyone that has subscribed. And if you're going to subscribe in this video, watching this video, thanks for subscribing, and I hope to see you next time. Love to you all. Bye.